Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the Scion FR-S key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need one of the 1632 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver, but that is not mandatory, it's optional. So right here, you push this half down like that and slide out your mechanical key. Take your mechanical key and insert it right here in that little opening. And just give it a little twist to separate the two halves. On the back side of the circuit board is where your battery's at. Take your small screwdriver, or you can use the mechanical key, and pop out the old battery. The new battery is going to go in positive side facing outward, just like that. And then you want to take this, line up that, make sure it's seated nicely, make sure your red light's working there. Replace your mechanical key, and that's all you need to do. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.